Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Messenger bubble not showing on Android 11. First, you'll need to go into Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Apps. From here, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to type in Messenger. Then you are going to select Messenger and you'll scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on Storage. Next, you're going to tap on Clear Data in the bottom left hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to tap out and you're going to tap on Force Stop. Next, I would recommend that you turn off and on your device. And that should solve it. You'll go into Messenger now and now you'll be able to see the Messenger bubble. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix Messenger bubble not showing an Android device.